this is Martin from Spotahome, Seville, and I'm going to show you a studio that is located in Jesus del Gran Poder Street. This area is the city center. You are next to shops, restaurants, and pubs, and all you need. So let's take a look. This is a renovated studio. And first, the main door, okay? And look the view. Okay, so we have here an open area with the kitchen, the living room and the bedroom. There is a lot of windows in this part, and very important in Seville, the AC unit that is also hidden. So first, the kitchen. We have here the coffee maker, the cook, and the sink. And under there is a lot of cabinet for kitchen for put everything you want. And here is the freezer, the fridge, and the freezer. So here we have some drawers with pots and pans, some glasses, and a space for put everything you want. And here some utensils and drawers, plates, okay, and a microwave here, and more space for your thing, a toaster, so a lot of space for put your things. And here is the washing machine. So, okay. There is a big table with 4 chairs. So look the kitchen. Okay. Now we are going to see the living room. We have a table with a lamp, this sofa, and I'm going to sit here for look the views and look this table and the armchair and the television. And now the bedroom with this double bed, and here there is the wardrobe. Look. For put your clothes and your things, okay? I really like this studio. All is good. It's great. So, to finish, the bathroom, that is wonderful. Look, it's really wonderful. Look the shower. And we have here also space here, and this design a sink, this big mirror, and the toilet. So that's all. This is Martin from Spotahome, Seville. See you. Hasta luego.